ordered this detailing kit off Amazon just to do a van. It needs a good clean. So we'll just see what we've got, how good it is. I'll put a QR code somewhere if it fits up there, or put a link in description as usual. Just while I'm opening this, do me a favour, do me a like in this video, because it does help me. It allows me to get more stuff to review as well. So it saves you guys some money if it's just no good when it comes. So yeah. And also the Amazon links, yeah, I do get a small commission out of it. If you click the link and have a look, but it don't cost you anymore. Just to have a look. If you buy. Actually, I don't get paid for clicking links. I get paid if you buy the item. I just get a small commission. But yeah, if you can like the video, that helps, because it helps push them up a little bit with the algorithm. It helps me, allows me to get more stuff. So yeah, anyway, I've got a couple of little cloths here. And like microfiber ones. They're quite nice. Alright, got two of them. And what else we got? Got the duster. Well, it's a duster mitt, this one. That's alright. And then I've got another little mitt. Okay, I can get that clear and see it. What else we got? We've got another one. We've got two. Are they different? I can't work out. They do look slightly different. I can't work with. That's all got instructions for that. I think one's slightly different to the other. Now this stuff is the gel. I'm not gonna. It already opened. It's got. Oh, there you go. Close that back up carefully. What else we got? Got a little detail like that. Like it's in a little case. Well, that would be good, because that's really soft just for. Let's see, I don't know if it's focusing right good this minute. It's a nice little brush anyway, that one. Which way did it go? I'll go for that way. That little case for it seems to keep it clean. And then we've got I know that is the one for the fans. I'll just put that together. So I've got it out of pack. So it kind of comes like that. If you can see properly. If you look, some little in there, some little pockets there, and there's like a middle pocket there in that one. So obviously, I'm not 100% sure I'm doing this right. I think I am. They go like that. That's good to me. I will check on that one, make sure I did it. But I think that's right. It's the only way I can think it goes. I will check it a bit better, because that, I don't think that should be loose. We'll check on that. I know that does the vents. I'll check on that one, because it should be down a bit more. That seems a bit floppy. I'll check on that one. Then we've got the brush as well. Another detailing brush here. Oh, I can go that way. Very fine, soft. Ideal. I'll say something, there's plenty in this kit. Right, these ones I'll just open them up. Right, these ones, from what I remember, are for doing your wheels, because that's like it's like a metal. It's like the ones what you have for doing the rust. A little, well, a mini one. I mean, I'm sure it is for doing rust on your wheels and everything. It's like a mini one to get right into little bits. And then you've got that. Just wondering which one's the hardest. I'm sure there's an order they go in. That's another one. That's a silver one. It feels very similar, but I'm sure there's a difference to them. I will be doing all these. I will be testing all these. Just not on this video. Just showing you what you get in them. That's just like a normal brush. You can see it. So we'll go in. And here we have a full set of the brushes. These are all well sealed. They're all pretty much the same. They're just different sizes really. So I'm just going to open one because that's the other set down here. I think they're all basically the same. They're just different sizes. So I'll just open one for now. I'll get around to testing them. Yes, that's those ones. These are a bit harder than the other brush. Well, the other brushes is 2 inch. They want to pull out. Those two there. That one there was in the netting, and the one in the packet. They're a bit harder than them, so I'm assuming these are harder bits. You probably use these first. Like I said, they all feel about the same. So you've got different sizes in them. Yeah, I'm pleased with them. Really good set that. Should be able to do some good bits. I think that's about it. Yep, that says a lot. But they all come in a nice little pouch. So, like I said, I'll put a link in the description, and if I remember, I'll put a QR code like I do, because I know a lot of people like the QR code and can just scan it. If they're watching it on the TV, they can just scan it before it goes straight through, or I'll put a link in the description. You can like and subscribe, as I always say. When you like them, push it up a little bit, subscribe, helps me. And if you do want to click on the links and go and have a look at them on Amazon, then if you do purchase, yeah, I get a small commission out of it. But it does help. It helps me to purchase more stuff and check it for you guys, make sure it's alright. So that were a quick one just on that. I will be using this on the van, so I'll go through that and let you know what it's like. And we'll do that in another video.